Presenting JBL Quantum 100 by Harman Gaming Headset. This headset is available in 3 color variants as black, blue and white. Inside the box you will find the JBL Quantum 100 headset, removable mic, windshield foam for microphone and QSG or warranty card or safety sheet. The dimensions of the headset are 23 cm by 25 cm by 10 cm and it weighs 220 grams. This lightweight and durable headband with memory foam cushioning provides an immersive experience. It is a wired headset. The 40mm dynamic drivers delivering JBL Quantum sound signature, our signature audio designed to experience the tiniest footsteps to loudest explosions. This headset is compatible with all gaming platforms including PC gaming, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, Mac and VR. This headset features detachable voice focus directional boom mic with mute features for crystal clear communications. This gaming headphone is a great addition to your gaming setup. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.